Hi, this is Nikunj from the CutShort team. As you know, today we are starting the online hiring event Jumpstart, and I wanted to quickly show you how you can make use of this event. The first thing to do is to register for the event. To do that, click on this button. Confirm your action. And great, you are registered now. When the event starts at 11 a.m. on 16th October, this button will take you to the live stream of our session with a few featured companies that are hiring at this event. Now the next important step is to choose the jobs that you are hiring actively for and would like to show in this event to the candidates. To do that, scroll down and click on this toggle to select or deselect a job. Again, remember, in order to be able to participate in our future events, please add only the jobs that you are actively hiring for and for which you can close the interviews in next 10 days or less. Okay, great. As you can see, these jobs have now been selected and will be shown in this event to the candidates. You will now start getting applications on these jobs that you have just selected. You can start taking action on them right away by clicking on this button to go to the applications view. To make it easy for you to identify the applications that came from this event, we will be tagging them like this. To help you take action on the applications received in this event faster, we have provided this new filter that you can use. Similarly, this filter is also available on the matches page, where we show you the candidates who are coming to be a match for your jobs, but who have not applied for your jobs yet. And sure, wondering about the candidates that may or may not have seen your job or may not be even coming in your matches, you can always go to the talent database and apply the same filter to see the candidates who are participating in this event. That's it, we are all set. We hope that you find this event to be useful in not only finding the relevant and competent people, but also in closing your roles much faster. Enjoy and do give us the feedback. Thank you.